Are you sick of sharing your home with uninvited carpet beetles and ready to evict those sneaky pests without harsh chemicals or expensive treatments? Say no more. Our video reveals the top natural ways to kick these pesky critters to the curb. You don't need toxic sprays or pricey exterminators, just simple, effective methods you can implement now. From DIY remedies to eco-friendly solutions, we've got you covered. Carpet beetles are small insects ranging from 4 to 8 millimeters in size and are often oval-shaped. Their body is covered in fine hairs which comes in various colors, including black, brown, white, orange, and yellow patterns. These tiny pests are notorious for causing damage to carpets, upholstery, clothing, and other organic materials in homes. Carpet beetles love natural fibers such as wool or silk and feed on dead insects or animal products like hair or feathers. They are infamously unique for their ability to cause extensive damage due to their voracious appetite for natural fibers. These beetles often lounge or hide under furniture or rugs, laying eggs that hatch into destructive larvae. Despite their small size and seemingly harmless appearance, carpet beetle infestations can lead to significant financial loss if not dealt with promptly. It's crucial to be vigilant and proactive in preventing these pests from wreaking havoc on your belongings. So here are the best natural methods to eliminate carpet beetles. 1. Use diatomaceous earth. Diatomaceous earth is a natural and non-toxic substance that comprises of fossilized diatoms, and it is an effective tool in the battle against carpet beetles. This powdery substance disrupts the exoskeleton of insects, leading to dehydration and eventual demise. Not only does it target adult carpet beetles, but diatomaceous earth also eliminates their eggs and larvae, preventing future infestations. Sprinkle it sparingly around your home, especially in areas where carpet beetles hide. Its versatility allows application on carpets, rugs, furniture, and other affected areas. One significant advantage of using diatomaceous earth is its long-lasting impact. Once applied, it works for a long time as a natural barrier against carpet beetles and other pests without harmful chemicals or odors. In addition, its affordable price point makes it an attractive choice for those seeking a natural pest control solution. 2. Try boric acid. If you're looking for a natural and effective way to get rid of carpet beetles, consider trying boric acid. This versatile substance controls pests like carpet beetles by dehydrating them through physical contact or ingestion. Sprinkle boric acid in areas where you suspect beetle activity, such as along baseboards, under furniture, and dark corners. Be sure to wear gloves when handling boric acid and keep it out of reach of children and pets. Boric acid has a long-lasting effect. It continues to work even after it has dried, making it an excellent option for ongoing beetle control. Exercise caution when using boric acid around food preparation areas or in homes with young children or pets. However, when used responsibly, boric acid is a powerful tool for eradicating carpet beetles naturally. In addition to controlling current infestations, incorporating boric acid into your regular cleaning routine can help prevent future beetle problems. 3. Employ vinegar and water. The humble duo of vinegar and water may not have the glamour of fancy chemical cleaners, but they pack a punch against carpet beetles. Let's start with vinegar. That pungent liquid doesn't just add zing to your salads. It also makes these pesky critters turn tail and run due to its acidic nature. It will dehydrate and kill them on contact. Mix equal water and white vinegar in a spray bottle and let loose on infested areas. The acid in vinegar disrupts the beetles' environment, kills them, and makes your home less inviting. And don't underestimate the power of water. We all know how essential hydration is for humans, but did you know it can spell doom for those sneaky carpet beetles? Spritzing diluted vinegar onto carpets or other affected areas can drown out carpet beetles and their larvae and discourage their cozy little parties from flourishing. 4. Spray essential oils. Essential oils like clove and peppermint are the unsung heroes when battling those pesky carpet beetles. Adding a few drops of clove oil with water in a spray bottle and applying it in infected areas can send those beetles packing. Not to mention, its warm and spicy aroma adds a touch of coziness to your home. A double win. And let's not overlook peppermint oil, whose refreshing scent not only repels carpet beetles, but also leaves your space smelling minty fresh. It's like a natural air freshener, with a bonus of pest prevention. Who knew tiny bottles of these oils could hold such potent magic against household invaders? Embracing the power of essential oils is like inviting nature's little guardians into your home. Plus, it beats using harsh chemicals any day. 5. Drop mothballs. Mothballs are naphthalene or paradichlorobenzene-based repellents that create a force field or barrier against carpet beetles. These balls make them think twice before nibbling on your favorite wall sweater. They are effective for ridding your home of carpet beetles, their eggs, and larvae. Ensure you keep them out of reach of pets and kids, as they can be lethal when ingested. Besides, beware that mothballs aren't for everyone. Some people find the strong odor quite off-putting. If you fall into this category, consider using cedar chips or lavender sachets instead as natural alternatives. Not only do they keep those pesky carpet beetles at bay, but they also give your wardrobe a delightful aroma that is just divine. 6. Vacuum your carpet and furniture regularly. Alright, let's move on to the not-so-glamorous but essential task of vacuuming your carpet and furniture. Sure, it may not be as exciting as discovering a new natural remedy for carpet beetles, but trust us, it's a game-changer in keeping those pesky critters at bay. Think of your vacuum cleaner as your secret weapon against these tiny invaders. By sucking up dust, crumbs, pet hair, and any potential beetle larvae hiding in your carpets or upholstery, you're disrupting their life cycle and putting a stop to their shenanigans. But here's the catch. You can't just do a half-hearted job when vacuuming. Those little critters are resilient and won't go down without a fight. So roll up those sleeves and give your carpets and furniture some serious cleaning regularly. Set a schedule, blast some upbeat music while you vacuum away, and revel in the satisfaction of knowing you're taking proactive steps to keep your home beetle-free. Plus, who doesn't love the satisfying feeling of seeing all that dirt sucked up into the abyss of the vacuum cleaner? It's oddly therapeutic. So next time you reach for that TV remote instead of the vacuum handle, think twice. Your battle against carpet beetles starts on the living room rug. 7. Steam clean your floor. If you've been battling those pesky carpet beetles, it's time to bring out the big guns and steam clean your floor. Not only does steaming kill off those sneaky critters and their larvae, but it also sanitizes your floors without harsh chemicals. Plus, who doesn't love the satisfying sizzle of zapping dirt and grime away with the power of steam? It's like a mini science experiment right in your living room. Steam cleaning isn't just for getting rid of carpet beetles. It's perfect for removing stubborn stains and odors, leaving your floors looking and smelling brand new. And think about it. You get to play with hot water vapor while making your home spotlessly clean. So, say goodbye to those carpet beetles and hello to a fresh, germ-free floor your friends would envy. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies. And don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to make mice and rats disappear in 60 seconds without using poison or traps. Thanks for watching and bye for now.